Our trick to growing good weed. This is leaves that have been rotting for years from the city of Plymouth and cow poop mixed. So we're gonna load the stake truck up with it, bring it to our farm, and plant them in the ground maybe Sunday. Look at this dirt though, black as can be. What's the key to this dirt that makes it so good?
About 10 years of cleaning out the cow barn and giant pile of leaf decomposed.
How many pounds did you get off them 4 plants you had last year?
12 pounds.
It's a pretty good ratio. You really didn't try that hard on it either, you know. Look at that dirt. They just picked up this skid steer a couple days ago. Yeah, here's one of the stalks from the one last year. Yeah, I don't know, that's pretty good healthy root ball there, buddy. I don't think you can get that at Grow Green on their dirt. Plus it'd be, how much money would it be for all this dirt, man? It'd be like $1,000 probably or more. Me and him went and bought, what was it, 4 bags of Ocean Forest the other day, and it was $115. Mine says, F it, let's go do this.
I got my own Dairy D.
Yeah.
Right here.
Look at the quality of this though.
Look at smell it.
Yeah.
Awesome dirt.